Unleash your inner artist with Chrome Canvas, and let's create amazing digital art right in your browser. First, simply open your Chrome browser and type Canvas app Chrome into the address bar. Then hit enter. This will launch the Chrome Canvas app. You'll see a simple toolbar on the left here. You can select your drawing tool. We have the pencil for fine lines, the pen for bolder strokes, the marker for shading, chalk for textured effects, and of course, the eraser to correct any mistakes. Try clicking on each to see how they differ. Below the tools, you'll find the color palette. Click on a color to select it. You can also use the eyedropper tool to pick a color directly from your canvas. Adjust the size of your brush using the slider at the bottom of the toolbar. Experiment with different sizes to create various effects in your drawings. Now, let's start drawing. Experiment with the different tools, colors, and sizes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's what the eraser is for. You can easily create sketches, doodles, and even more complex illustrations. When you're finished, click the three dots in the top right corner to access more options. Here you can export, save, or clear your drawing. Chrome Canvas automatically saves your work to your Google account, so you can access it from any device. You can also choose to export your drawing as a PNG or JPEG file to share it with others. That's it. Chrome Canvas offers accessible, intuitive tools to explore the creative world of digital art. So unleash your imagination and have fun drawing in Chrome Canvas.